In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a ban from a Steam profile. Removing a ban from a Steam profile in 2025 isn't a straightforward process, as bans on Steam, whether Valve, anti-cheat, community bans, or game-specific bans are typically enforced due to violations of Steam's rules or game developers' guidelines. However, understanding the type of ban you're dealing with is crucial in determining what options, if any, are available to resolve or appeal it. If your Steam profile has received a VAC ban, it means Valve's anti-cheat system has detected cheating in a supported multiplayer game. Unfortunately, Virginia C bans are permanent and non-negotiable. Valve does not lift these bans, even if you believe it was applied in error. This is because the system operates autonomously and only bans accounts when it detects concrete evidence of cheating. For game bans, which are often issued by individual game developers through Steam's game ban system, there is a bit more hope. In such cases, the ban isn't enforced by Valve, but by the game developer or publisher. If you believe the ban was a mistake or want to appeal it, you'll need to contact the game support team directly. Go to the game's page, find their customer service contact, and submit an appeal with detailed information, including your Steam ID, in-game username, and what you believe may have caused the ban. If you're dealing with a community ban, which may restrict you from using features like chat, profile customization, trading, or commenting on Steam, these are usually issued due to toxic behavior, scamming, or violating Steam's community guidelines. To address this, log into your Steam account. In here, go to the Help. Now then, head to Steam Support section. From here, open a ticket under My Account and explain your situation. If it's your first offense or there are mitigating factors like a hacked account, Steam Support may review the situation and consider removing or reducing the ban. In cases where your account was compromised and a ban was issued due to actions taken by someone else, it's vital to act fast. Provide as much evidence as possible to Steam Support, such as login history, device logs, or confirmation emails to prove that the account wasn't under your control at the time of the offense. If verified, Valve might restore access or lift certain restrictions depending on the context. To avoid future bans, make sure your account is secured with SteamGuard. Don't share login details. Avoid third-party software that modifies game files. And follow both Steam's and game-specific community rules. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.